Aloha, George Kriske here with Honolulu High Five. You might own a condo in Waikiki in one of the buildings that is hotel zoned. They allow short-term vacation rentals. We call them Condotels, and that could be a unit at the Ilikai, the Trump Tower Waikiki, the Ritz Carlton, the Waikiki Shore, or some others. On our website you will find tons of information about Condotels, and if you look at the listings you might wonder how come some of these listings have higher property taxes compared to some other listings. And the reason is this: hotel zone buildings are taxed at the hotel and resort property tax rate, which is $12.90 per $1,000 assessed value, versus the regular residential rate, which is only $3.50 per $1,000 assessed value. So let's say your condo is assessed at $900,000 value. Your property tax bill is $11,610 per year. Now here's the trick. You might be able to reduce your property tax rate from $12.90 to only $3.50 per $1,000 assessed value. And that would translate at, let's say your condo is $900,000 in value, that would translate into tax savings of $8,460 per year, every year. Now there's something to it. You're only entitled to that lower property tax rate if your unit has not been rented out on a short-term basis, means no less than 30-day minimum rental terms. And if that's the case, then this is how you do it. Here's the form that you would have to file, and that is the Declaration Regarding Condominium Use. And on the bottom we have a link where you can download the file and see where to mail it to. And on the form you will need to declare one out of two things. Number one, either you have used the unit only for your personal enjoyment, means you live there full-time or maybe part-time. Maybe it's your second home or your vacation home, but you have not rented it out on a short-term basis. Or number two, maybe you did rent it out, but you only rented it out on a long-term basis, means 30 days minimum per tenant between October 2nd last year and October 1st this year. And you might have to show proof, which is rental agreements. Now, if that's the case, you also will need to file the form no later than September 30th this year in order to get the lower property tax rate effective next fiscal year, which starts July 1st next year. And that's how you do it. This is the tip of the day. Thanks for watching. With all tax matters, make sure you check with your favorite qualified tax professional. On the bottom, click like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Aloha.